Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube. What's going on, people? This is Influence, and I'm back with a tech unboxing slash first impressions, I guess. Got my little unboxing knife, the old unboxing knife. I need a new one. I'm gonna get a new one because there's more tech products coming. Today I got the TicWatch Pro 3, which I heard great things about this watch. I needed a new watch, a new smartwatch. Smartwatch is Wear OS on it. It's 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of ROM, extended battery life, dual display, 10+ professional workout modes, Qualcomm Snapdragon Rail 4100 platform. And this is a GPS version. They have a 4G LTE version now. I didn't need all that. I'll just hook this up to my phone. I need a new smartwatch because I have a Huawei. I have a few smartwatches, but my favorite one, my Huawei watch, which my lady bought me, is no longer operational. It still works. I still love it. I still wear it. But because of what's going on with Huawei and the band, a lot of the features that I love don't work anymore because they were Google features and no longer support. They're no longer supported for those features. So let's get it cracking. Just want to get a quick unboxing. It's not going to be a super in-depth setup or anything. I just want to unbox it, see what's in the box, see the presentation. I like the little sleeve. I like the way it looks. Has the different says user manual. You get the charger, and I believe that's about it for stuff that you get in the box. So let's, of course, it's a sleeve. Pull that sleeve off. Got some little branding. I had a TicWatch before. It wasn't that great. It was an older version, really old. It was really, I think it was a counterfeit, to tell you the truth. This is a quick guide, so I'll look at that later. So yeah, you get the quick guide in here in the sleeve, so don't throw it out. Then you get the box. Got a little TicWatch branding right out the gate. You see the actual watch. I think it's lovely. I think it's a great great looking watch. Yes, see it there. Has a little, I think you can change the bands, but it's like a little rubberized band that you get with this. And links will be in the description for this and other just all the TicWatches if you want to check that out. And I can't seem to unhook this. I don't know if there's a trick or if it's magnetized. Maybe it's magnetized. I'm not sure. But I'll probably save that as just, so it's on this little, and here's the watch. The band is nice. I love the watch. You got the sensors in the back. It's nice looking. Yeah, you got the quick release right here in order to get things going. I'm about to drop it on the cement. Nah. Then you have the charger. So it's a little I don't know if it's compatible with wireless charging, but you got a USB with the little clip-on charger. I'm sure it's battery operated. Let me see. Yeah, and it's magnetic. I mean battery operated. What am I talking about? That's the second video. I mean it's magnet. I'm sure it's magnetic, so it can clip on there like that. So you see that. Then you got the booklet. Got customer care. So we don't need that. You got the product safety information, those things like that. And that's it. That's all you get. Got the watch. Let me see if there's some juice in the watch. I assume one of these are the power button. Maybe this one. They both click in. Okay, maybe we ain't got no juice and we're gonna have to start her up. Oh no, felt the vibration. There we go. Taking a little time. Yeah, this is Wear. I like Wear. I actually like Wear OS. A lot of people don't like Wear. I don't know why, but I'm a fan because I had the Motorola, the first Motorola with the half moon cutout thing. Before they could learn how to put the sensors on the back. I had that, and I guess they didn't learn how to. They had sensors up here now and stuff. So yeah, like I said, I like Wear OS. I'm sure it's gonna have to be set up, but I don't want to go through that right now. I'm gonna do that on my own time. But yeah, so you got that going on, and touch to begin. So I'm not gonna go through everything. I'm trying to turn it off, but see if I can turn it off. There we go. So you got the power off, shutting down. So yeah, this has just been a quick unboxing of the TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. Has built-in GPS. Great for working out. Get a lot of use out of this, so I can do the full review. Actually can't wait to dive into this and use it, because I love smartwatches. I know some people think they're novelties, but I don't. I've used them ever since they came out, and I just like them. I always liked them. All right, and this has been Inflewence, and I will get up with you in the next video.
Ain't no, life ain't no, life ain't no, life ain't no. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.